US President Joe Biden announced his administration has provided 200 million COVID-19 jabs. On Wednesday, President Biden called it a new phase in the federal vaccination effort, and it's relying on increased outreach to Americans. President Biden, in an address, announced that his government has delivered over 200 million of COVID vaccines, which he touted as a feat and a new phase in the US administration's vaccination campaign.
Today, we hit 200 million shots in the 92nd day in office. 200 million shots in 100 days, in under 100 days, actually. It's an incredible achievement for the nation. This is an American achievement, a powerful demonstration of unity and resolve, what unity will do for us, and a reminder of what we can accomplish when we pull together as one people to a common goal. Now that we've reached this milestone, we're entering a new phase of our vaccination effort.
And WION correspondent Kate Fisher is still with us. Well, Kate, I would like to ask you, how's the country doing in terms of daily infections and the corresponding vaccination drive overall? 200 million doses is what Biden admin claims in first 100 days. By when does US target to vaccinate its entire population?
Yeah, certainly the Biden administration is touting this as a huge success story, and certainly 200 million vaccinations is a lot of people. By tomorrow, 80% of people over the age of 65 will have received at least one dose, and more than 50% of US adults will have done. But there are still surging infections in some parts of the country. This is by no means under control here whatsoever. And although, yes, the vaccination rollout is going well, it's starting to hit something of a lull. It's been described as supply is no longer a problem. There are enough vaccines in the country for the American population. The problem is that there are many Americans who don't want to get the vaccine, and that is now the Biden administration's challenge, is how to persuade and reach the people that either can't physically get to a site to be vaccinated or who don't want to be vaccinated. And this is one of the issues as to why cases are not necessarily coming down everywhere, because there are certain parts of the community who don't want this vaccination. And one of the problems the White House has identified is younger people. They may not be as likely to die from coronavirus, but they are likely to spread it because they're less likely to social distance. They're more likely to want to go out and socialise or go to work in an office or to travel, and therefore they can spread this easily, and not enough of them are choosing to get vaccinated.
Well, thanks, Kate, for joining us with all these details this morning. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.